Hi, in this video I want to show you some specs of this portable transistor mini spot welder. And to do this I want to scope it with my Rigol DS11 for ZS Plus. Well, in this particular spot welder we could choose the power from 1 to 199, and I use this 10 ohm resistor, power resistor. I think is 10 watts. So we could see the energy transferred to the resistor by choosing the power. First we choose 1, the lowest setting. Resistor. Scope in the single mode. Press single. It is in weight mode. And all I want to do is attach a connector and this is the pulse. Okay, you can see if we measure it with our cursor. Here it is, cursor 1, cursor mode A. Before we choose the center, okay, cursor B. Oh, sorry. B, this one. Okay, we could see the pulse duration is about, could we zoom? B x minus AX, 540 microseconds. So about half millisecond. So we should raise the power of it about 10 times. So let's go to 10. Now we could wait for 10 times this period, this on. So press single. Let's change the time division, maybe 2 milliseconds for division, and let's do it again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, we catch it. Now we could measure it, and cursor B. Here it is, some zoom. Okay, 5 milliseconds, 10 times more. Let's do it again. So raise the power. Maybe 20. Single mode. Before put it to single mode, I want to show you one thing. We could expect that the pulse duration will last from here to about here. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 milliseconds. Okay, so it will last about here. Let's do it. Single mode. Three, 2, 1. Oops, nothing. We could change the time division. Okay, 5 milliseconds, so it will last from here from here about 5, 10. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Perfect. 5, 10. About. Let's change the cursor mode. About, yep, 10 milliseconds. Let's repeat it another time. Maybe 50. So 50 times more the energy of the first time that we remember was about half a millisecond. So 50 times for half millisecond will last 25 milliseconds. So let's move the trigger position maybe here. So we can start from here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. It will last here. Let's try it. Single mode. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And look at that. Cursor B here and cursor A here. About 25 milliseconds. Here it is. And let's do the full power mode with 100 times the start. 99 times. So as we done before, single mode. Let's change it, time division 10 milliseconds. So we should expect that it will last from here to 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 milliseconds. Okay, from here to here. Let's do it. So as the same. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and course. No, let's change only the position, the horizontal position, and here it is. 50 milliseconds. So the only thing that changed with the power of this mini portable transistor spot welder is the time that it delivers energy to our nickel strips. But I was so unfortunate because I bought 2 of them and 2 of them, I don't know why, broken. I don't know why. Here is it, the component. I don't know why. I don't know. But here it is, how it works.